Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I need you to hear me because what I'm about to say could save your career. Focus, people, focus. It is everything. Y'all out here in AI and robotics scattering seeds, hoping one of them grows into something magical. You dabble in Python, you flirt with C++, you swipe right on humanoids, but then LLMs slide into your DMs and now you're confused. You treat AI like a buffet and guess what? You end up hungry. You ever seen a dude trying to juggle 5 women at once? He thinks he's slick. He's texting Lisa, then calling Jessica. Meanwhile, Sarah is at dinner waiting on him. And what happens? He loses all of them. Now he's sitting there on a Friday night with nothing but his right hand and a cold pizza and regrets. This is you and AI. Too many options, no commitment, no results. But automatic Addison, if I focus, what if I choose wrong? Oh, so now you're scared. Now you're out here sweating, saying, but what if I go all in on one field and it becomes obsolete? Let me ask you something. You think Jensen Huang, the founder of NVIDIA, was out here spreading himself thin? You think he was trying to do cloud computing, fintech, and also open a taco truck on the side? Hell no. He bet heavy on GPUs, on AI acceleration. And now NVIDIA is printing money. The man locked in. He didn't scatter seeds. He planted one tree and he made it a forest. And let's talk about Sam Altman. You think OpenAI became OpenAI by doing a little bit of everything? You think they said, well, maybe we do chatbots, maybe we do fintech, maybe we open a coffee shop too? Hell no. They went all in on AGI. They said, we are here to dominate, not just participate, dominate. And Steve Jobs, if anyone understood focus, it was this man. He didn't care about making 1,000 products. He cared about making the best ones. He focused, he dominated, and now Apple owns the market. His own words, focus is about saying no to 100 other good ideas. Steve Jobs wasn't out here chasing every new tech trend. He was out here creating the trends. Scattering seeds, trying everything, seeing what sticks. Let me tell you what really happens. You never go deep enough to be great at anything. You never develop your bread and butter, that one thing that you become known for, that's on your tombstone. You waste years chasing trends instead of building expertise. You become replaceable, forgettable, just another name in the crowd. Meanwhile, the people who are focused, locked in, they mastered robotics, perception, reinforcement learning, aerial robotics, manipulation, navigation. They became the go-to experts in one area of autonomous systems. And what happens? Companies throw money at them. They make it rain. Investors chase them. Recruiters beg for them. Focus makes you undeniable. You know what happens when you specialize? You become elite. You master something that companies need. You build a reputation as an expert, not a dabbler. You stand out in a world drowning in mediocrity. Nobody is lining up for the second best AI researcher. Nobody is fighting to hire the kind of good robotics engineer. People don't flock to second place. Do you want success? Pick your lane and own it. Here is the playbook. Pick your battlefield: AI perception, motion planning, reinforcement learning, aerial robotics, manipulation, navigation. Choose, master it, own it. 2. Stick to a core tech stack. Gazebo, Mujoko, NVIDIA Isaac Sim. Become dangerous with one. 3. Cut the noise. Not every AI paper, every new trend, every LinkedIn flex deserves its time. Ignore the distractions. Execute and win. Build, fail, improve. 4. Repeat. You aren't an AI engineer unless you actually are doing implementing and refining. Look, if you want to dabble, go ahead. Keep jumping from one AI trend to the next. Keep half learning everything and mastering nothing. But don't be surprised when the focused people pass you. Because while you're still out here trying to see what sticks, guess what? The real players already built the entire house. The choice is yours. Keep building.
Automatic Addison.